Today's a really simple video. We're not trying to do anything crazy. We just wanted just kind of a solid day, just kind of all to ourselves. Obviously, we're still putting out videos, we're still putting out content. So we're
still on our walk.
We're still on our walk, so we decided we'd take the camera with us and do this video anyways. It's just been a crazy couple of weeks. And tonight, we're actually gonna be starting all the Harry Potters, starting with Harry Potter #1.
What's it called, fake fan?
It's called Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, or if you're from England, the Philosopher's Stone. You're welcome very much. Have I read any of the books? Absolutely not. We just wanted to go on this walk, share some stories. There's a couple of things that have happened here that were pretty crazy.
Yeah, for that mountain over there, about the time of the 4th of July, it caught on fire. Right about the 4th of July, because it was right before my parents came. And it was like 2 in the morning. Me and James were like getting ready for bed. We're night owls, so we normally go to bed. If you haven't been able to tell already, we go to bed at like 2 at least every night. And so I'm on Facebook, I see that this mountain's on fire, so we ran upstairs to go look, and this entire mountain was on fire. And it was so scary to both of us, but I think especially me, because I lived in California the year of the Santa Rosa, California, the Tubbs fire. So my only experience with fires being that close to the house is like wiping out an entire neighborhood. So I was dead sure like our house was burning down. Like I was so nervous, but James was chillin' filming it, right? Stop, the paparazzi, oh my gosh.
Pretty much not one house got burned, no one got injured, but the flames came right up to the houses, but nobody got hurt. See, like over by that mountain, Shay and I took out my drone, and I hadn't really flown it for a while. I flew on our second date, but I hadn't really flown it for a super long time, and it was just fun to break it out and start flying it around the canyon. And the inevitable happened, and I crashed my drone. I never thought I would, but I crashed it. I just wasn't looking when I was flying the drone, and it flew right into this mountain right above us. And the saddest thing was, I went around to go look for the drone, and I could hear the propellers still working and still whizzing. Right up there, you can hear it. That's me trying to lift it off, and I'm trying to move it around so I can fly out at least. But the wings are just getting wrecked. It's seriously right up there, I can hear it. I'm not gonna risk my life just going over there, but it's up there.
He literally flies the drone into the mountain and broke it and lost it. And do we have it now? Nope. Did we leave it up there? Yep. Is it probably still up there? Probably. But one of my favorite parts about this story, honestly, is that I was very stressed because James went over there and I stayed back with all the stuff. And I was so stressed that he was going to hurt himself. Because we'd only been married for a couple months. This was right before COVID happened, before the world broke down and cried and everything. So this was like so fun to go do. And James, I was so nervous that he was going to hurt himself. And he came back and he was like, you know, if I was single, I would have climbed that mountain and gotten my drone. But he's like, I realized that like I have to take care of you and I have to take care of our future family, and it wasn't worth my drone. To James, it's probably a very heartbreaking story about when he lost his drone. But to me, it's like, oh, he loved me. So I'm worth more than a drone, I guess.
My drone is still up there. And one of these days, if Shay lets me.
What?
But even if she doesn't.
Oh my gosh.
I want to go up there. I want to get my drone. It's totally destroyed now. That was over a year ago.
It snowed like 2 days later.
Oh yeah, it's 100% demolished now. I mean, it snowed, so many things, whatever. So I want to go back up there. I know exactly where it is, and I want to bring it back just to have as a funny memory.
Shout out to this jacket that I've had since 5th grade, everybody. 5th grade, JCPenney's still fits, and I love it. I just need a shout out because I'm embarrassed because somebody might see this who saw me wear this in 5th grade. Not that they'd remember, but anyways.
That's the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please slap the heck out of that subscribe button and we'll see you tomorrow.